What do you think? Yeah. Now you reset it and forget it hairspray, and this will last for days. Look how much better that volume is on that top. Yay! And thank you to who asked me to do a roller set. I haven't done them in so long. I'm going to do them more often. All right, guys, love you all. Learn to love your hair. Practice, practice, practice makes improvement. More practice, practice makes progress. And more practice, practice, practice. All right, guys, so today we're going to do roller set. All right, so these are old. I don't even know if they make them anymore, but this was profiles. All right, now listen, they're so old, I have like a little hole in them because I heated them up too much. Left them too long because somebody asked me, you know, how to put rollers in your hair to make it look like Farrah Fawcett. And this is also, I sprayed this on my hair just 2 seconds ago because I did a different video. I'm just gonna put it in the back. I didn't do that. And then I'm just gonna show you how to set your hair. So you can get these online and they come in like a whole pack. These will grab the roller. All right, so you can get a tail comb. You know I'm gonna get this part right back here is the most important part. I'm gonna do a smaller one there because I really want it to be more curled. The smaller the roller, the more curl you're gonna have, okay? So now I'm gonna go down and get the next one. All right, so I really need to comb it all out. So make sure you brush it all really good. And then I'm gonna take the next one. I'm gonna do the whole top with smaller rollers. That's my girl, she just came in. But I wanna do these for you guys. Okay, so look it. You're gonna put that. You're gonna grab those ends, tuck them in. And even if you need the tail comb, you're gonna take this and just make sure that you get all those ends in. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Okay, now I'm gonna do this piece right here. And I'm gonna do this smaller too. All right, I'm gonna do this. I'm getting those ends, getting those ends, getting those ends. Now you could always take your tail comb and just go around to make sure all those ends are in. And then you put that there. Our next one. Yep, I'm gonna do this one back. Here's my extension. So I'm gonna pull it forward though, okay? So really watch. I want that one bigger because I want it to feather right there. Get those ends, okay? Now I'm gonna take my tail comb. I'm gonna run it through so I get all that on there. Then get a clip on there quick. I don't like it perfect. Everybody that knows me knows I like everything like kind of loose. That's all not perfected. Okay, now I'm gonna do this one. You could do this one back or you could do this one under. I'm gonna do a bigger one. I'm gonna get all those ends first, right? Tuck those ends in. Okay, look, right here, I'm gonna take that tail comb and I'm gonna make sure those ends are in. In. Okay. Sorry, I have this on a little tripod that's a little not too strong. Okay, now I'm gonna take my front part. I like big sections, and this is my favorite brush, the Miracle brush. I love this brush. So easy to comb things through. I wanna take a big one. I'm gonna do this. Get those ends. Get those ends, get those ends. Okay, take your tail comb, push them in there, just make it go around so you get all those ends in there. Done. And I'm not doing my front, I'm gonna leave my front. Okay, now you're gonna do the other side. Grab this piece right here. I'm gonna do a small one over here and I'm gonna pull it up. Okay, so you're gonna think if you had a brush, how would you do it with the brush? Get those ends. right? Get those ends in there, get those ends in there. And of course, you know, and you gotta feel it. I always feel everything, just to make sure. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this in here again. Make sure it gets those ends, good. And make sure you put that roller in there so it holds, so it stays. Okay, now I'm gonna do this whole front piece. And I'm gonna do it bigger. Get those ends, get those ends. Ow, get those ends. And you're just gonna do it back. Check, check. Okay, now I'm gonna take another one right here. I'm gonna do a big one. Okay, I'll put it right here, get closer to the end. And you wrap it around. Okay, I feel it coming out. Get your tail comb. Get it around there. And it's okay that's a little messy. I'll just wrap it around. You know, I'm good at messy. And then I'm gonna do one in the back, okay? So this is an extension. I'm gonna pull this one up. I'm gonna do a smaller roller, okay? And you can wrap those ends around like that if you need to. Do it, get your tail comb. And get your thing on there, and then I have one last one. Done. Easy peasy, guys. Just remind yourself, easy peasy. All right, and so let me ask you, why would I use the bigger ones for the bottom? Because I want length. Okay, now I'm just gonna let them set, and then I'll show you what it's gonna look like when it's done. Ta-da! My roller set. Are you guys ready to get down your rollers? Go buy them, go get them out. Your hair will be easy peasy. It's gonna give my hair lots of volume, but I like to leave my bangs out. So stay tuned. I gotta let them cool off though. That's what I do with my blow dryer. I always heat up that metal and then cool it off with the back of the blow dryer because it sets the hair. Oh, look, that one fell out, but look at how pretty and glamorous already. I could probably take them out now because I don't like it super set, so I'm just gonna, because it definitely took enough. And that definitely, these are not super hot anymore. So always remember, you could do all different kinds of things. Okay, because I don't want it super set. Even when I do my hair, it gets super set sometimes. I like to make sure it's like, now look at the volume. I'm just gonna leave the back ones in a little longer. Woohoo! Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I like it just so it's like enough, but not like super, super. And look at that top. All right, it went from flat to fluffy. And I like my front to be a little flatter. Yes, and then I'm gonna do this last one. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna use my pick. Get that back. And listen, get your cowlick, that bad cowlick. Okay, I'm just gonna fluff, and there we go. We got the Farrah Fawcett hot roller set. And you guys can see the back. Get underneath, grab this one, get under there, hit the bottom. What do you think? Yeah. Awesome. All right, let me show you what I'm gonna use too. Now we set it and forget it hairspray, and this will last for days. Look how much better that volume is on that top. Yay! And thank you to who asked me to do a roller set. I haven't done them in so long. I'm gonna do them more often because it really is nice. And look how simple that was. How long did that take? 10 minutes, that's it. All right, guys, love you all. Learn to love your hair. Practice, practice, practice makes improvement. More practice, practice makes progress, and more practice, practice, practice makes you a pro. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep growing, stretch and expand, and have a wonderful day. This is Coach Kimmy.